About 100 protesters gathered at the Windhoek Magistrate's Court in solidarity with the suspects as they waited for the appearance of the accused. The protesters were, however, blocked by the police not to enter the court. The demonstrators were arrested for allegedly violating provisions of the Public Gatherings Act and COVID-19 regulations limiting gatherings to 50 persons during a protest against incidences of rape, murder and assault against women and children countrywide. The accused were expected to appear in the Windhoek Magistrate's Court. However, the group's lawyers arrived during the lunch hour break to inform them of the decision by Imalwa. One of the lawyers, Emmanuel Thomas, indicated that Imalwa decided to withdraw the charges after a thorough assessment of the docket brought by the law enforcement officers today. However, he cautioned that the withdrawal of the charges does not imply that there was no violation of the law.
We just came out of a meeting with the Prosecutor General, all the legal representatives that were representing all the suspected accused. The Prosecutor General decided to apply her mind to the dockets that were brought in her office. In terms of that particular matter, she decided to withdraw the charges against all the accused.
An unspecified group of demonstrators arrested during the same day were also released on a warning after spending several hours in detention at the Windhoek Central Prison. Amongst them were several journalists who were reporting on the three-day protest. A protester, Libius Ashikutuva, informed NBC News that they were merely exercising their right of expression without any form of violence.
I think, first of all, it's important to note that we are peaceful demonstrators. We have never asserted any form of violence in any of our demonstrations. What we intend to do is disrupt, but disruption is not equivalent to violence. We've never vandalized anything, we've not beaten anybody, we've not harassed anybody. What we've done is close down Independence Avenue. What we've done is call that Vernal closes down. What we've done is call that the Minister of Gender Equality, Doreen Sioka, resigns immediately. But we've been peaceful at it, while at the same time disruptive.
The protesters demand swift action in the form of proactive law enforcement and policies to protect and safeguard victims of violence, particularly women and children. They also demand harsh sentences for perpetrators. Kaipa Herwekanji, NBC News, Windhoek.